Hey, Jody here. Michael Furick just came out with a new number 7 Pro Clear Cup. Let's do it. This shot right here just shows how beefy the wall thickness is on this new number 7 Pro. I'm using a CK MT200 machine for this video. AC frequency set on around 120 Hertz. AC balance is set on the sweet spot of 6. Pure argon shielding gas started out using around 20 to 25 CFH, wound up bumping it up all the way to around 30. And for this particular joint, it got better all the way until we got to 30 CFH, and I'll do a follow-up video on how we work that out. This is my friend Andrew Cardin doing the welding today, and I'm behind the camera. Same fundamentals apply to this joint as most any TIG welding joint. Keep your arc length about equal to or slightly less than your electrode diameter. Keep your torch angle limited to about 15 degrees tilt. Keep that hot tip of the rod shielded with argon. I started using clear cups strictly to film the arc with, but I soon realized they help me see better too. Pay really close attention here on how that clear cup acts like a light bulb to just really illuminate things, light things up, and help you see better. I'm in my 60s now. I need all the help I can get. If you're having trouble seeing, I think a clear cup might be worth trying. While we were making this video, we actually took several joints to figure out and dial in the exact settings, the argon flow rates, the cleaning action, and all that stuff, but we kind of got it dialed in. The first several welds looked fine, but once we really dialed in the sweet spots, this one looked even better. We'll unpack all that in a future video.